What's going on, guys? Gabe with Dork. Now, this is the second video in our lesson in how to trade as a day trader. So if you have ambitions of being a day trader, momentum trader, swing trader, well, follow this video series and it's absolutely free. So you're not spending $500 on some guru. You don't want to do that. Absolutely free. Make sure you guys hit the like, share, subscribe button, comment down below. If you have any other questions or any other type of videos that you would like for me to cover, or maybe some concepts you would like better understanding of, let me know in the comments below. I'm going to treat you guys like infants, like you just latched on to your mama's booby. What we have here is AMC. And the reason why I have AMC up is because AMC is acting like a textbook stock. Before we jump into any play, you've got to remember this. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. What I like to do is do research on the stock and look at its patterns, and we find its support and resistance. But it does not mean we're jumping in the play immediately. You need to allow yourselves a couple of days, maybe even a week, to build your thesis on when you are going to jump in. Especially if you are a brand new trader, because if you do not build your thesis, if you do not plan, you're going to fail, you're going to lose all your money, you're going to come back here, jump in the comment section and say, Gabe, I lost it all. So anyways, let's go ahead. And the first step in my research with any stock, and again, we're using AMC here, is to plot my support and resistance lines, because this helps you to better visualize the pattern that any stock is in. And we like to use the 4-hour chart because it gives us more information. So how do we plot our support line? What we do is we draw a line and we make sure that we hit at least 3 points on the candles here. What you guys can see is I have 1, 2, 3, 4 points in the candles that show me AMC is finding support at or about $36. Now, this is not a definitive line of support, but it gives you more of a confirmation. It helps you build your thesis. Again, this is our resistance. We see here 1, 2, 3. We could go as far back and see at one point it was acting as support on the candles. We could go even further back and see right here it bounced right off 40. So the way we play this game, and you can ask any seasoned trader, with what was once support will become resistance, and what was once resistance will become support. That is just the way it works. So now, what do we have? Well, we have this channel here. And guys, you need to just calm your nerves and be patient. Don't just jump into a trade. You want to see a pattern forming on the 4-hour. On the daily. If we go ahead and we zoom into the daily, guys, you would see that the support and resistance is much cleaner. In fact, it looks like AMC is consolidating within the $36 and $40 range. This is going to help you execute your thesis. Can a stock run at any moment? Absolutely. Can it break support at any moment? Absolutely. However, you want to become intimately familiar with the stock in knowing how it behaves before you jump into it, guys. This is really, really, really important, because this is what's going to save your ass from jumping into a stock that's running and then the rug is pulled from underneath your feet. We see a stock running, we don't know why, just runs, FOMO kicks in, FOMO just slaughtered you. Guys, this happens too many times, and it's part of the reasons why a lot of you blow your accounts up, because what do? Oh, it's ready! Let's get it! Get a reversal, and then it's buy the dip, buy the dip! Oh shit, keeps dipping! Buy the dip, buy the dip! Oh fuck, keeps dipping! Buy some more! And it just keeps dipping. You don't want that happening to you. So make sure you find the support and resistance on a 4-hourly time frame and on a daily time frame before you jump into the minute time frame. Now we could go ahead and look at the minute time frame here, and we could see it's a totally different game. When you enter the minute chart and you're saying, well, I'm gonna hold AMC for a couple of days, you already know where it's channeling, and you already know if you're buying AMC high or if you're buying it too low. And that's the name of the game, right? Buy low, sell high. We're not saying for you to buy and sell AMC. If you're in AMC, you're buying and holding, baby. Buy low, sell high. That's pretty much with any and every stock. Now, why did I choose AMC? Well, I chose AMC because a lot of you guys hang out there in a ticker time frame any damn way, all day. You're hanging out in the 1 minute time frame, and you're hanging out on Weibo talking about boom boom candle. But if you've been watching AMC on the minute chart all day, every day, and you still haven't learned something, we don't want that. Anyways, this is Gabe. I'm signing out. Peace.